I rebuilt my Floss, basically using the same components I had in it before except for the motors. Still got the Speedix 4-in-1 30 amp ESC and the Flip 32 F4, which has been through hell and back. Put another used and abused, is it Two Brothers? Not Two Brothers. Why can't I ever remember the name of this VTX? Anyway, it's a 200 milliwatt VTX, and I directly soldered a little dipole antenna to it. Anyway, the all-up weight of this setup is now 519 grams. Got a little micro, Runcam micro Swift in there with a 2.3 millimeter lens. And I really like the way it flies now with these Brother Hobby Deadpool motors on it. The 2450 kV. Here's some flight video of it.